Introducing the innovative upward folding garage door. It opens smoothly and saves your ceiling space entirely. Door panels are made of high-quality materials. Its unique panels fold neatly upward, requiring minimal clearance. This makes it ideal for garages with low ceilings or overhead obstructions. Constructed from durable materials like steel, it provides security and needs little maintenance. Truly, a space-saving revolution for your home. More than just a door, it's a redefinition of your entryway. It unlocks not just your garage, but a smarter, more efficient use of space for your entire lifestyle.